Hey guys, quick update from my side. My work on the adaptive torque response is progressing well, but I wanted to show you one example of where we're still falling short. So I'll show you the torture test that I'm putting the OneWheel through, and I'll show you how bad it really is, and also how amazing the pint does on the same test. So here it is. All right, look at this, guys. How do we ever get over that? We're talking about going up something that's almost as high as an 18650 battery cell. So very extreme. Let's see how the VESC does, and let's see how the pint does. All right, here we go. First attempt with the Funwheel. We've got 150 amps at our disposal and 63 volts. So let's see. Oh, I can feel something. All right, let's do it again. Whoa, made it, but it was pretty rocky. So when I tested this with 20 millimeters, all right, I got my low voltage alert, but it's okay. Just very rocky. Let's go the other way. All right. That went better than I thought. All right, now we got the reigning champion. See how it does not overshoot. When I went up a 20 millimeter piece of wood, I did manage to get an overcurrent fault twice or three times on the pint. But looks like 17 millimeters is no problem. As soon as I have a little bit of momentum, of course, it'll be no problem. But now I'm fully stopped, and let's... Okay. But you see how the board just stays perfectly level? And replicating that on the VESC is a huge challenge. All right, so we can see the amps here. Now the amps are climbing. It took 80 amps to get up there. And I always end up with a boner on my board. There, 60 amps didn't do it. Here we go. See how the nose of my board remains up for a little bit. Pretty annoying. So torque tilt back does work, but as you can see, it's not nearly as smooth as on the reigning champion here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So hey, the good news is the VESC can go up 17 millimeters. The bad news, it's horrible at doing it. So you can see the VESC managed to get up to 17 millimeters, but obviously you could tell that it wasn't nearly as good as on the pint. Pint just crushes it, stays perfectly level, doesn't throw you off, doesn't jerk you around. So yeah, we still got a lot of work to do, and hopefully somebody will come and join forces with me, because I'm struggling with math and all that stuff. Till then, I'll be chipping away at it and hopefully get to something usable. But other than these extreme challenges here of going up a less than 1 inch obstacle statically, the adaptive torque response actually works really well.